Okay, so long 44.50, looking for 49.75-ish, up near the top of that range, somewhere up there. I'm just gonna pause for now. Okay, it's popping up there, but I'm not even gonna move it. I'm gonna ensure this 200. Probably I should move it, but given yesterday's events, that's a big pop up and it didn't fill me there. Anything can happen. If necessary, I will move up. If it tries that high again and doesn't go through with gusto, I'm out at 49-ish. I'll even take less. One more try to the highs. Oh my god. That's unfortunate. 5 points in favor. So if it tries back up here, we'll take it. Even 48 now, if it comes back up and doesn't punch through. I'm kinda wondering if I should move this stop to break even as well. Not that I did anything wrong. So I'm gonna keep the order there. If it fails around 48, I'm just gonna take it and gear up again. And I'm not gonna move the stop. Pausing for now. I've just got out there at 48 because that could very well be the high. We got a 1, 2, 3 of a momentum reversal. So it almost got to 49.75, and now of course it's got through to 49.75, but that's no problem. Looking for the next trade. See what the volume is here. Yeah, that was there. That was there. If anything, you'd want to go short here if you're doing anything at all. The only reason why I'm hesitating for the short is 50, so anywhere around 50 would be the short. I'm also looking at this 1, 2, 3. If we did go 50, we would need to get the stop above 175, or even above 52.50 if you want to be extra safe, because we're going against the trend, which means that we could only do it with a 1 contract trade. So pausing for, it looks like that's worked anyway. You could have gone short around 51, but you were slightly above this zone of action. So pausing for now. So here's, even if I'm not doing this recording for YouTube, so I'm just going to talk to you. You got 1, 2, and then there was a potential 3 there. That's broken down from here. Can you see that? Can you see? It broke down from this candle here, like it goes across like that and then breaks down. But the volume's fine. So if it goes back and makes a reversal candlestick here, you can get in here with your stop either above here, 36.50. No, that stop would be too big. So you would have to do like 2 contracts and get to account for the volatility, because we're breaking down now, and try and capture from sort of 32.50 ish, 32 to 33. Okay, so we've got a 3-wave pattern here, momentum reversal. My plan is, if we get a reversal candlestick here, to take it long, get the stop under 29.50, which is right about where this 2-wave entries failed after it hit the derivative momentum reverse, the golden mean derivative here. This is where we should have seen a drop off if we were going to drop lower, and it's kind of stalled there at the B of this big appendix here. or the last pullback to the B before taking off to the upside earlier today. So it dropped off heavily there. Technically speaking, that is a reversal candlestick. It dropped off with not a lot of volume but a lot of pace. Could go 31 here, but I would like to see it test once more, and then I would go 31. But it doesn't look like I'm gonna get the opportunity. We've got a gap here and then increase in volume after wicks and small candles here. So you could go here as well, but this is getting retail, then I'm already going against the recent trend. $153. One thing I've just noticed as well, this lines up with this zone of action here. So we are bumping into this old zone of action. But we did have this little appendix here against this tractor knot as well, so everything's pointing up. But as I said, it's just bouncing against this old zone of action here, so I may have to pause for thought. 29, 25, 30, 75. It's a bit rough now. So that's it for today, just the one trade. Way back here at 540, and I just continued to watch the market for just under a couple of hours more, and there was nothing else. We got no trigger here on this, what would have been a pattern failure with a 25-ish as the target. We got a no trigger here for 31 long, which would have had the stop under 29.50, so 28.75, a 2.25 point stop from 31, and I would have been looking for 35-ish here, which also happened to be the golden mean extension of this momentum reversal. So 4 points for the 2.25, and then finally we were looking for a 33.50 short here, and again I would have been looking for 30.5 for this one, so 3 points for a 2.25 point stop, and that missed by 2 ticks. So after that I just got fed up, and even if I'm able to trade, my times are 5 in the evening here in Italy, Central European time, to 8 o'clock, and although we were still 45 minutes away, it's a Friday, too many no triggers and near misses, so I'm just going to take what I've got and start again fresh on Monday. Let's see you then.